ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः।
In today's day and age, most of us are driven by logic. We tend to believe in something only if we are logically convinced of it. But if you have listened to the miraculous stories we have shared in this series, you'll know that faith and grace, most often than not, supersedes logic. Pranam, and welcome to the episode 14 of Bhaji, the divinity that lives on. This is a story of a young woman who, before experiencing the magic of Dada, did not believe in miracles. But anyone who has even remotely known Bhaji knows that once you surrender to Dada, your life shall be brimming with miracles. During the pandemic, this young woman was not keeping well. There was no illness as such. However, numerous pains and aches plagued her body. An onlooker would have not realized that anything was wrong with her. But she did not have the strength to do anything. She was mentally and physically drained due to a prolonged, hidden and undiagnosed illness, to which she did not know the cure. Luckily enough for her, one of her close friends talked to her about Pujya Acharya Sri Siddhi Surishwarji Dada, and she was in awe. Despite never having heard of him, never having seen him, never having visited his shrine ever, something within her changed. She surrendered to Dada. She started worshipping Dada every day. She visited the Urja Tirth located in Pankaj Society. She spent hours there singing devotional songs and circumambulating his idol. And somehow, while she was there, she felt immense peace from within. So without keeping account, she kept going round and round his idol every single day. Everyone around her, and especially her mother, was absolutely surprised to see the logic-driven woman change inside out. The woman herself was completely taken aback by the transformation. She kept asking herself, how did I transform into being a believer from being a complete atheist? She went to the temple for 21 consecutive days nonetheless, and as a result, she became absolutely perfectly fine. Her health was restored and she doesn't even know how. After that incident, how could she stop going to Dada? How could she not believe in him? Hence, she continued to worship him and asked for one more miracle. She told him, Dada, we have been trying to sell our house since forever now. I don't know if I can pray for such a materialistic thing or not. But Dada, please help me sell the house soon. I know that you have the power to make it happen. Once she put forth her request, she felt as if a burden had been lifted off of her shoulders. She knew Dada would listen to her. Another 21 days and their house got sold for a price higher than their expectations. Once the house was sold, she put forth another desire. She dreamed of a 3 BHK home that would please the eyes and heart of her family. Another 21 days, and they found a home exactly like the one they wanted. They found a beautiful home in a beautiful location. On the 21st day, they paid the down payment of their new home. They had been looking for a home for several months in vain. And only after 21 days of Dada's worship, all their dreams came true. That too, without any obstacles. This woman says that though for most of her life she did not believe in miracles and would argue about it with anyone and everyone, she can now, without an ounce of doubt, say, where there is Babji, there is magic. They say, finding a guru is rare. But Dada, finding a guru like you, who understands my unspoken words, is truly a miracle. Om Shri Siddhi Sureshwar Satguru Namaha.